In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add related products in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right settings and how to connect products so shoppers see helpful suggestions while browsing your store. Start by opening your Shopify store and signing into the admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Products. This takes you to your full catalog, where you can search or filter to find the item you want to work with. Choose a specific product you'd like to enhance with recommendations. Think of a bestseller or a product that naturally pairs with others. Inside the product editor, you'll notice many areas you can adjust, like pricing, inventory, and media. For this process, focus on the Product Metafields section. Metafields are extra pieces of information that let you store structured data about a product, which your storefront can use to show dynamic content. Scroll down until you see Metafields, then click View All to open the full panel. Within this panel, look for the field that corresponds to related products. When you open it, you'll be able to search your catalog and select the items you want to appear as recommendations for the product you're editing. Use the search bar to quickly find complementary items by name and select them one by one. For example, if you're editing a hoodie, you might add matching joggers or a beanie. Aim for relevance. Choose items that genuinely add value to a shopper's experience. As you add related products, keep balance in mind. Too many suggestions can feel overwhelming, while too few might get overlooked. A small, curated set often works best. If you carry similar items in different colors or sizes, consider mixing complementary and alternative options so shoppers can discover both variations and add-on pieces. You can return to this Metafields area anytime to adjust your choices. If you introduce new products or want to refresh recommendations for seasonal campaigns, just revisit the product, open View All under Metafields, and update the related products list. Feel free to explore and edit this setting to find what resonates with your audience. Small refinements over time, like prioritizing bestsellers or grouping items by use case, can noticeably improve cross-sell performance. Once you've selected the related products, your storefront can display those recommendations wherever your theme supports them. That's all there is to it. Open your store, go to Products, choose the item, focus on Product Metafields, click View All, and pick the related products that make the most sense for your customers.